attention TV so. Attention, we inspire you more. When you say now, you see, no DBR, no, you're the trending stories, Ebram. Near Elcoso, Ghana, ne a broad straight. Say, baby, Biara, it will be asana. Attention, you're the Ebram. And Fatima Matnase, and I made a new story, a trendy, it was social media, no so Ebram. I was here for Mobile Kai, a brand savior, or UK, Manchester, Mountain, so. Or this kind of wound, mammy. Alberta, obinim, or sharing no quite ya. Ne papa on so, and in nearby, and that I resabia amoji treatment. Now I know not ebusia for no ever upon Timmy say. And Elder Joshua, what sharing no quite ya no, and then ebusia for no echrema, Elder Joshua, etiase. Mama yente ebusia for no.
Obapifa, yenadisyo yinala. Oh my fefe, oh my fefe, oh my fefe, Abina, not Debbie, Yebunu, Jesus, oh Babina, ready for we see what it. The woman is shot, and we are shot, we are shot, and got you, what so many put the we and the just like they are the concept. I'm ready for we see, Abina, ready for we see, ready for we see. Now we see Abina, and my start of we be simply what we see you. Never ready Abina, so what create ready Abina, Yakai, my white Kai, now never could you want today. No man one shop of free ready Abina, ready for we see, ready for we see, ready for we see, and we are so did you. You wanted that sway dear, it was a set here biada. You know the book. Abina temple fettie na woman eja abina wo busia wo maame so maame bi maame yetro okeka ko video kono maame obeye de woni maame yedi da so na dem say yesu ti ase ewrade be so busia mu no be chichire busia yiwre na wo made sasama do amaya e ma refi wo mei abina e ma refi wo kunu e da Joshua em say Nyankopon no woda so kura ni mu na obesore so na wasoro poewie e wo Yesu ti ma bra ya dawse ya danyam yase na bra ya mawo demiri fedie die ni amani hunu. Oh Jesus,
there will be a Ghanaian community ayawa chairman wa you go be brave and I am sorry ma and anne yaba soon Bia yede ehanu na eye imiaba Alberta ni fie asem ni si ye no yaba yede flower abeto eye ba bi asem no esi eti so be police for agi hayina anti community no egusua ye hwese Nyankopon be ye adom papa ne de na me de ne be bankom na ono so wa be kan ye ho to see wa start recover enti yeda obi ase egusu na momom paye ma eye ni ko Elder Joshua na ono so Nyankopon emwa na ono so enyanwo de ne ba ni nyina na omomeka eye yensa yadamase emi shiram.
Yeah, we want to thank the Ghanaian community like what our brother have just said. We are here to lay flowers in memory of our departed mom Alberta. We want to take this opportunity to speak to the community about an information that went out viral yesterday. Yeah. We are here to correct that Elder Joshua is still alive, and our information indicate that he is responding to treatment together with his doctor. So we want to encourage all Ghanaians to remember them in our prayers so that they will come back and we will all live together. We thank you, and we will update the community as and when we have credible information to them. So we want to tell them to rest assured and also be mindful of information shared out there. We thank you so much.
Sana chama kai no enra ye video bi ba bonten say papa no so afri mu on free mu information ba ye na ye wrong ena omo de bre ye enti ye be sere busua se ba bi asa video na ko bia no ye be sere se mo retract video no back na mo pulling it down na mo papa no nyame adom say all respond here this eba bloggers na mo kan sembia enye fata efa busua no ye be sere mo obi any one more information for abusua no sabi even police kra no omo nya information bia tie be sere mo se mo amo kan sem bi fa niema nubone enye sanete yesere mo a papa no enra onwu ye wrong information about tie sere mo a mo ntwitwa niema so na yemfa mpai bonta abusua neti yadamase thank you very much all right
ani abusua abusua for the chire mu say bloggers na mo post say Elder Joshua ewu no amo sere mo say enya no kure ene Elder Joshua etiase a doctor for ehwe no chese amo fa kwan bia so a mbehwe agye ne nkwa one ne papa Fatima me na me the trending stories ne bra makram